As a high-quality power supply, this product is basically the same with the original battery pack from battery structure to specification and connection. Having been strictly tested and used, all performance index results of this pack fully meet related requirements of hybrid car systems. So CEBA Battery cylindrical battery pack can also be used for Camry, Lexus and other HEVs. We will use the cylindrical battery pack to replace the original. Take out the original Prius battery pack and then disassemble it. Start to prepare the original battery pack as the base by putting the bracket on the base. Arrange the battery modules on the base according to the module serial numbers. Then fix the bottom bolts and tighten the bracket bolts. Install connection pieces voltage acquisition wiring harness, positive and negative wiring harness. In this step, please pay attention to distinguish the direction of wiring harness. Install module cover plates. After that, install voltage acquisition wiring harness plug, positive and negative. Install the original temperature sensor in a space on the specified battery modules and then install battery pack as the cover plate. Put the battery pack as the back in the car after completing the assembly. Connect anode and cathode main wires correctly and install the original service plug after checking. Install all the accessories in place and return them to their original positions. Battery replacement process is fully completed.